Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Metallurgical Engineering. In this today's metallurgy interview question series part 2. So the question is, why is stainless steel resistant to rust? So the main reason for this is it contains around minimum 10.5% of chromium. So that is the main reason, and which forms a chromium oxide layer, which will form a chromium oxide layer on the surface, and that will further prevent the oxidation or rusting process. So when stainless steel is exposed to oxygen, they usually, then the chromium which is present here, chromium, some other alloying element as well, nickel. So specifically this chromium will react to the oxygen and form some chromium carbide thin layers, and which is like, this layer is extremely dense and adheres well to the surface, acting as a barrier that prevent further oxygen and water from reaching to the iron, because stainless steel, the main element which is they have is iron. So this oxygen layer is further prevented from this chromium carbide layer. So that is the first so this is the first reason. The another reason is also they have self-healing. So this one of the remarkable property of this chromium oxide layer is that it is self-healing. If the surface is scratched, the chromium in the steel will react with oxygen in the air to repair the layer, provided there is sufficient chromium content and the environment isn't too harsh. So this is the self-healing is another reason. And the third main important reason is alloying element. So apart from the chromium, they have other alloying element, majorly nickel as well as molybdenum. So they can also enhance the corrosion resistance. So for example, let's take this nickel. So what this nickel will do, it helps stabilize the stainless steel structure and improves its resistance to various form of corrosion. And sometimes molybdenum as well, it is resistance to the pitting corrosion. So if you have the pitting corrosion, then this molybdenum will helps to avoid this pitting corrosion. And another reason could be the passivation. So the passivation is like, the process of passivation can be used to enhance the formation of this protective oxide layer, like nickel oxide layer or molybdenum oxide layer or chromium oxide layer. So this passivation involves treating the surface with mild oxidant, which helps ensure a complete and stable passive layer. So, but the main reason of this, why this stainless steel is resistant to rust, if someone asks you in the interview or anywhere, so the main reason is this: it contains minimum amount of 10.5% chromium, and also depends on the different types of stainless steel, because there are different types of stainless steel, right? The first one is austenitic stainless steel, which contains majorly higher amount of chromium and nickel, and it is non-magnetic as well. There is another type is ferritic stainless steel, which is have lower nickel content and as compared to this austenitic, and it is comes into the magnetic. The third one is martensitic stainless steel. Then you have other one like precipitation hardened stainless steel, and then duplex stainless steel. So it also depends on which types of stainless steel you are working, because the chromium and nickel content are different in different types of stainless steel. But the main reason why this stainless steel resistance to rust is the minimum amount, which is the chromium. They form the passive layer of chromium oxide on the surface and further prevent the oxidation. Other, which I just told you, self-healing, alloying element, maybe passivation, they are the other responses. So I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, you can write down into the comment section. Thank you.